guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and today I have a new subscription box for you. This one is called CoachCrate, and what it is a box designed to be like a life coach. So every month has a different theme and they will tell you, hey, this last month's theme was this, next month's theme is that. So you can sign up and be like, oh, actually I would love to get next month's theme. The box is $45 a month. You can prepay for several months in advance to get a discounted rate, etc. Anyway, I have opened this, but let me just show you all of the things that you get in a box. The types of things you get in a box, I suppose. Okay, so the August box is the rejection box. So you open the box and it has this little blurb inside the front lid, which I actually think is really cool. I like how they lay it out and I like where it is. You know, you open it and you're like, aha, this is what I can expect to find in my box. Okay, so this month we focus on pushing past self-rejection, insecurity, excuses, and the dread of hearing no to free ourselves from the fear of being rejected by facing it head on. Inside this box, you will find tools and techniques to help you confront and overcome rejection, along with items to help you reset and relax after putting yourself out there. Let's get rejected. Okay, so in your box you will find your monthly breakdown, which is this sheet that tells you week 1, work on the book and rejection quest. Week 2, relationships. Week 3, passion/work. Week 4, lifestyle. And week 5, rejection recovery. So it kind of gives you a guide and it color codes the weeks so that you can mark it out for yourself and you know where you should be throughout the month, because it really is a guide and it's, somebody standing there helping you along. Look, this is what we're gonna work on right now. Next week we'll work on that. And then daily complete a challenge from your rejection quest. So, okay, so we've got this thing and then we have a book. This month's book is Rejection Free by Scott Allan, and it's basically a self-help book about living rejection free. And not that you don't get rejected, but when you are rejected, you don't take it personally and you can move on with life, learn from it, deal with it. Don't beat yourself up and be afraid to try again, So, which is a great book, and I know that we've all been there, I'm sure. I know that this is a hard one for me. We also have a little booklet that is a guideline to help you as you read this book. This one is the Unofficial Book Guide. So this one is actually written by Cassandra Green, who is the curator of this box. So it's not written by Scott Allan, but it goes through and it kind of, walks you through the book and just kind of helps you through it. It's a book guide. They also have a rejection video. So once you sign up, if you log in, you could log on to the website and you can find a video to watch as well. Okay, and then we have some other items in here. We've got these little rejection quests. Now this is what it was saying to do daily, your rejection quest. It came in this little bag and it's these little cards, and each one basically has a task for you to do, like a challenge for that day. I'm not gonna lie, just reading through these gave me major anxiety. Some of them I'm like, yeah, okay, I can do that. A lot of them I'm like, there is no way, not gonna happen. I'm sorry, but I'm just not doing that. Disagree with someone? Yeah, I can do that, no problem. After a meal, ask if you can go back to the kitchen and thank the chef. That's not gonna happen. I'm not gonna do that. I'm never gonna do that. I'm sorry, but I can't. I'm just not gonna do that. But do you know what I mean? Like these, and the point of these is to get rejected and then be okay with it. So, I mean, you can do this, and like if somebody said no, I'd be like, phew. If they said yes, then I would be like, oh my God, now what do I do? So anyway, I'm just saying, this one was a big one for me, and I feel like this is my first CoachCrate box, and I wasn't entirely sure what to expect, and it's like, and I knew that the theme was going to be rejection, and I'm like, okay, great, that's something I could definitely work on. But then I got this box and it brought up a lot for me, and suddenly I was like going into a tailspin. And I did a get ready with me video a while ago where I was talking about how I just, was feeling really insecure and blah, blah, blah. And this box like brought all of that up again, and things from my past and things that, I don't know. It was like, wow, I think I need a therapist to help me through this. I know. Okay, I've got issues, all right? We all know that. Moving on. Anyway, so we've got these little things that you're supposed to do, little daily tasks, right? The Breathe bag, which is actually really cute, and I like this a lot. It's kind of like a little, you know, travel bag, and you can put all of your stuff in here, and you know, you can keep it as your things that help you breathe. You know, some Xanax, or no, I'm just kidding. Sort of. Anyway, you can, you know, put all of your stuff in here, and it's a nice little box, and it does, a box bag, and it does say Breathe on there, which I thought was really cute. So you get that bag, and then some shower tabs, which I love shower tabs. They're basically like a bath bomb for your shower, where you put them on the floor in your shower, and when the hot water hits it, it steams up essential oils, and you just kind of breathe deeply in your shower, and it's really nice. I never take baths, so I never get that like relaxing bath time. So for me, I love shower tabs. So these ones are Morning Citrus Mint, and I'm really excited to use this. There's 2 of them in here, so that's exciting. I love those things. Some Positive Energy tea by Yogi tea, and it's sweet tangerine positive energy. It does have caffeine in it. Sounds nice. I do like tea, so this is fun. It's got 3 sachets in here. And then a candle, a nice little candle in a tin. This is in lavender, and it smells really nice. It doesn't smell, sometimes to me, lavender smells like fly spray. I don't know why, but this smells really, really nice. It does have kind of a soothing scent to it that's not overpowering or anything. So I'm excited to burn this because it smells really, really nice. And it says like to burn it for 2 hours at a time, so you get a nice even melt on it, and you know, anyway, just a nice candle in a tin, and it's a good size, so I'm excited about using that. And then with your candle, you gotta have some matches, right? So these are Light a Fire matches, and I love matches that come in a little, you know, apothecary tube like this, and it has a little, you know, strike thing on the bottom to light your matches. Those are always super cute and fun. And then a bonus item of Simply Gum Cleanse gum. This one is grapefruit, prickly pear, cayenne, and sea salt. If you've never had these, I actually saw these. I was in line at Target last night, and I saw these at the checkout, and I was like, oh, hey, I just got those in my cart, in my CoachCrate. So if you've never seen these before, they come in little, I mean, they almost look like sugar cubes or something. These little like brown things, and they're gum, and you chew on them, and the flavor doesn't last very long, but they have a nice texture to them, and the flavor is interesting. It wasn't terribly spicy, but you can definitely tell that there's cayenne in it. So anyway, these are kind of fun and interesting. So that's it. You get a bunch of stuff in here. I love that they include relaxing stuff for after you've done these things that, you know, like I said, for me, I mean, just reading the cards was causing me anxiety. I can't even imagine, like, you go out there and you're going out of your comfort zone and facing rejection, which nobody likes to do, and it's like, then you can come home and take a shower, have a cup of tea, light your candle, and just have like a relaxing moment to be like, okay, I survived. You know, so I really appreciate that they have that, and I love that there is the book guide to go along with the book, because like I said, a lot of this, I mean, is intense stuff that, I mean, for me, rejection is a huge thing in my life that, you know, I feel like it probably is for everybody, but you know, where it's like, okay, I don't know if I can do this by myself, but it's nice to have that guide along with you, and you can watch a video, and it does feel sort of comforting knowing that there's a whole box dedicated to helping you go through this. So anyway, I thought this was a really interesting box. Every month you have a different theme, and it kind of helps you through life. And it's one of those things, it's like, sometimes you don't always think about the fact that maybe you need a little extra help, and then you get a box and you're like, I'm so broken. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. Anyway, I thought this was really cool. Very beautifully curated, some really quality stuff in here, which I think is really nice. Definitely worth the price tag, you know what I mean? Anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box. Thank you, CoachCrate, for sending me this box. I really do think it's a neat and interesting box. So again, check out the description box if you are interested in getting yourself one. Next month's box, September's box, is Self-Acceptance. So anyway, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!